friends, I'm with Vi. Welcome to Sci-Fi's Room. So today we're gonna learn the story of the cows and the tiger. So let's get started. Once upon a time there lived 4 cows. They were very happy friends that they never fought with each other, but instead they will be always together. And after some days they were grazing together. And at that time, a tiger hid in the bushes and watched the 4 cows. And he thought to himself that, oh, how tasty these fat cows will be. And the tiger bumped onto the cows, but because of their unity, the tiger was defeated by the 4 cows. And after some days, the cows had a big quarrel with each other. And they went in different ways to graze. The tiger was watching all this from the nearby hill, and the tiger grabbed this great opportunity. And the tiger went to one cow, and it bumped onto the cow and ate it. So one by one, the tiger ate all the cows. So friends, that was the end of the story, and the moral of the story is, united we stand, divided we fall. So friends, hope you all liked this video. So friends, if you want to subscribe to this channel, click the subscribe button and click the bell icon and start watching Shy Classroom channel. Thank you. Bye bye.